In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download DocuSign. Whether you're new to this service or just need a little guidance, this video will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can swiftly and efficiently download your documents with ease. Let's begin with your homepage. After logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your DocuSign dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage all of your agreements. To initiate the download process, you'll first need to navigate to the Agreements section. This is where all your documents or agreements are stored. If you have multiple agreements, you'll see them listed out here. Now, your next step is to select the specific file or agreement you wish to download. Scroll through your list of agreements and identify the one you are looking for. Once you've located your desired document, click on it to open up the details page for that particular agreement. On this page, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to manage your document. They can seem a bit overwhelming, especially if you're seeing them for the first time, but don't worry. Our focus here is on locating the download icon, which usually looks like a downward pointing arrow, a common symbol for downloading across many platforms. Once you spot the download icon, go ahead and click on it. The action of clicking this icon will automatically start the downloading process. You won't need to fill out any forms or remember to press an additional download button. It's all taken care of with just this one straightforward click. Now, let's talk a bit about what happens next. After clicking the download icon, your file will typically begin downloading to your default downloads folder, but this can vary depending on your browser settings. If your browser prompts you to select a download location, choose a folder where you can easily locate your document later. Tips to keep in mind: if you're unable to find the document post-download, check your downloads folder, or maybe your desktop. It's always a good idea to remember the name of the file you're downloading or the agreement, as this will help you search for it quickly on your computer if needed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to download a document from DocuSign. This is a basic yet essential skill for managing your digital agreements efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions or face any issues, make sure to explore DocuSign's help and support sections or reach out to their customer service. Enjoy your seamless experience with document management on DocuSign. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.